Hello, boys and girls. Today is day 7 of my trip here in Langkawi. It's a very hot day today, very hot afternoon. I have just finished my work. It's about 5:30 now. I need to cool off. I heard about this secret waterfall called Durian Perangin. This secret waterfall that is well hidden within the tourist trail and only the local people would know about it. The waterfall is situated at the foothill of Gunung Raya. Gunung Raya is the tallest mountain here in Langkawi, and the water source is from Gunung Raya, and it's about a 14-tier waterfall that I really want to explore. So let's explore this waterfall and find out what it looks like. And I can already hear the sound of the waterfall. It makes me excited. Well, luckily I have my mask on because there were 4 policemen on a spot check routine just now, and luckily I have my mask on. So when you visit Langkawi, you have to wear face masks, and that's one of the requirements: face masks and social distancing. So I'm glad that the police are doing their job to ensure that everybody is following the SOP. Apa resipi ni?
Resipi rahsia.
Masak.
Apa? Odeng. Wow. Semuanya you ambil atas sini ya? Ya, ini buat sendiri.
Wow. What an amazing find. I'm at the top, I would say, kind of the high up waterfall. And this is really spectacular. I cannot find a better way to cool down. This waterfall has pristine clear water from Gunung Raya, which is the source. And it is a 14 tiers waterfall. So there's many more waterfalls upstream if you want to climb upstream. And this is really a hidden gem that not a lot of people know about. It rained last night. It rained the whole night. So the water is pretty strong at this point. I really love and enjoy this place. It's called Durian Perangin. Be sure to drop by next time you're in Langkawi because you don't want to miss this, trust me. And gorgeous weather today, and I'm just having so much fun. People here are very welcoming. It's a very hidden, secret waterfall. I am the only visitor here, and it's all local people who's visiting this evening. And I think I'm the only visitor here. You really don't want to miss this. I can just sit here forever, but sunset is coming, and I'm a bit hungry, and I know just the place to go for a nice sunset dinner without breaking my wallet. Everything in that restaurant is less than 10 ringgit. so less than $250 US. And I'm gonna take you there. So, let's go dinner.
Untuk pasta kami pakai kotak ini.
Kemarin saya makan nasi goreng. Wah, sedap. Macam ni oh. Okey, kali ini saya ambil chicken chop lah.
Tom yum.
Tom yum mana?
Tom yum.
Tom yum ayam. Đó là chicken chop lah.
Chop,
Lamb chop, fish, chicken. Tom yum ini dengan nasi ya?
No.
Ini ada sup saja. Just soup.
Ya. Tapi kalau you nak nasi boleh.
Oh. I come here for dinner almost every day because everything that comes out of that dinner is absolutely delicious. Yesterday I had nasi goreng, fried rice, chicken, and today I ordered chicken chop. And as you can see, everything on that menu is so affordable. Let me taste this chicken chop, which I ordered. The gravy. Crispy and fried. Still very hot, so I want to eat it very quickly. Dip it with the gravy. I hope you have enjoyed all my videos in Langkawi. More are coming, I hope. So I'll see you in my next video where I'll bring you to more adventures and really nice places to see in Langkawi. Bye!